Feelin Alright by Joe Cocker. Left hand first, we want a C fifth, just like so. Okay, and we're gonna play one note at a time like this. Then in the right hand, you're gonna go like this, thumb on B flat, pinky on G. Just like that. This is a fifth in the left hand and a sixth in the right hand. You go like this. Okay, you hit that, just like that. You're going from the bottom up. Then you do it again. Okay, now we're gonna go left hand fifth. In the right hand, you're gonna have thumb on A, fourth finger on F. So we do the exact same thing, same rhythm. Okay, now what you want to do is just real quick go between 1-5 and 1-4 here in the right hand. Make sure that's really nice and comfortable and easy for you to play. Okay, that's it. Good. Okay, now the ending piece here, what you're gonna do is I want you to take your thumb, go like this, A, G, F, push in for E flat, and then pull back out for E. A, G, F, E, E. Okay, just like that. Throw your hand at it. Okay. One of the things I've been doing a lot with my students are like, don't let your wrist be up in the air. Let it relax. Let the keys hold you up. You don't need to be tense most of the time. In fact, it's very rare that you want to ever have undue tension in your hand. Thumb, 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 thumb. And I'd keep it really loose, really easy, okay? On the top there, you go pinky on F, fourth finger on E flat, D. You're walking it down. And then we have an option here. I can use 4-5 on B to C, or I can do 3 to 4. I honestly, sometimes I do one or the other, so it's really gonna be up to you. 5-4, 3-4-5, or 5-4, 3-3-4. And again, I say this a lot to my students. When it comes to fingerings, like, do whatever is best for you. I mean, you don't want to be too wild with it, but there's always a little bit of interpretation there for whatever is more comfortable for you. So let's play these both together, walking down slowly like this. So you notice thumb, thumb, thumb. Think of this as the first piece of the walk. Then 1-4, 1-5, or 1-3, 1-4. In this moment, I'm liking 1-4, 1-5, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, and you'll notice how I move my hand in and then out. Okay, so you want to get that really smooth. So when we are, as we're doing this counter, or this rhythm, I like to throw in a counter rhythm like this. So I throw this F in, okay, to launch it off. Let's listen to that one more time so you can see the counter rhythm in its natural state. There you go. Did you catch it? Really subtle. That's it. Ready? Here it comes. Right? So just a little, right? It kind of gets us ready for that little run. That's it. Now the left hand for the chorus, you're going to have your left hand at an octave, and then your second finger on F. And we're going to literally, the feeling alright. Not feeling too good myself. So it's just between those two, just pretty much holding down the bass. The right hand, what you're gonna do is your thumb on E, third finger or fourth finger on B flat, and then pinky on C. I like, in this case, 1-4-5. make sure you're pushed in a little bit, because in the moment, watch this, you're going to keep the C the same, you're going to drop this tritone by a half step, just like this. And then here's another moment where you want to just get the movement between these two. The pinky's coming down, just hanging on that C while we move that tritone up and down. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's another counter rhythm with my left hand thumb. And then here we go to the F. If at the very least you want to just go feeling alright, just land in those quarter notes. Listen, you can do other rhythms too. This is just a suggestion, but you can go like this. One of my favorite accompaniment styles is sort of accenting downbeats. Something like that. So now I just want to tell you, when you listen to the Joe Cocker version and you play along to it, don't be surprised if you hear a little bit more. The guy's a piano player, so he starts with some more notes kind of added in, and I'm giving you the very basic version of it. So let's learn this first, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. All right, let's go and jump into the track. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I know I certainly did. I just wanted to let you guys know that my Make Music Now course is available. It's online and people are rocking it right now. Totally having a blast with it. So if you know anybody who would like to learn, or you yourself would like to try it out, but maybe lessons are a little expensive for you right now, I promise you it's packed in with tons of information, really great starting point, and even a relaunching point if you took lessons many years ago and you're just looking to improvise and write your own songs. I'm offering the first lesson for free, so you can always give it a try. See what you think, you know, and you can always reach out to me. I'm very accessible and can lend any assistance that you might need. Make music now at johnpatron.com. That's it, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next lesson. Peace.